Okay guys, this is a pigeon I got from Gabe over at the US Pigeon Center. The box looks like it got ran over by the USPS truck, but I assure you that the hen is fine. We'll open it up and take a look at her. She is a beautiful blue bar white flight. She is the granddaughter of Ornit, and I would just like to thank Gabe over at the US Pigeon Center for giving me the opportunity to win her. She is a beautiful bird, and she'll make a great breeder for our breeding program for next year. Thanks again, US Pigeon Center, and you guys have a great day.